I think I decided to take part in the award to try something new and maybe explore a different area.
So all your peers are going to have the same skills as you being in the same course, but what extra do you have?
As we both study humanities, it was really interesting to kind of get an insight into the business world. I found that all of the partner firms that I went to were really welcoming and open, and I learned a lot from them.
Being a history student, you can sometimes feel like a lot of the more corporate opportunities aren't for you. So I thought I'd really like to experience them and see what they have to offer, and I found actually that there's a lot of interesting things I hadn't considered before that now I am considering.
And I think it's really important to kind of branch out from your discipline as well, and even, network with other people that you don't usually encounter in your daily life.
As part of it is the networking, because I got to meet so many people from so many walks of life.
Really, going to things I really hadn't thought I would go to, and looking at how they actually have careers that you don't have to have done a degree in tech.
Trinity Career Service kind of gave me an opportunity to actually understand how things work here and how different it is from my home place.
I think it was great to go in with a cohort of people who were also doing the award, so it didn't feel so, that you were on your own.
Just outside of the whole career part, which in itself was great, but just meeting people, experiences, I maybe would never have sought for or discovered before.
It's difficult when you have a lot of work on and you're an undergraduate, especially in final year for both of us. But I think it was just the right amount of contact, yeah. And there were opportunities to do things online so that you can fit it within your schedule.
How to transfer skills, particularly. Maybe skills I had considered, this won't be helpful outside of writing essays. Actually, it can be useful for many different areas.
It was a new experience which I wanted to try.
I just thought it was a really fun experience.
That was great. I liked it a lot.